With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this video we have a question that which of the following is true about muscle physiology? So we have to tell about this all of four statements in the four options. Which option will be the true statement for the muscle physiology? Basically, what is the muscle physiology? Muscle physiology, that means the changes while muscle movements takes place. Muscle movement takes place. Okay, so when the muscle movements takes place, at that time there are some changes happens, and out of that changes we have to tell which of the following is true. So here in the first option they are saying that a muscle fiber obey or none law but not a overall muscle. So first we have to understand what is this all or none law. What is that? So let's see. All or none law. Okay, so this is a principle, or we can say this is a law, and that law states that about the stimulus. Okay, so muscle nerve stimulus, muscle nerve to a stimulus. Okay, so here we have to tell the response of the response, better word should be there here. So we have to tell the response of muscle nerve towards the stimulus. That means that the response, the stimulus is very low or very high. That means it is not present or it is present in full strength. Okay, so either this stimulus is present or absent, we have to tell that. So the response to the stimulus is present or not. So response towards the stimulus is absent, not present, or present, we have to tell that. So basically this response can be high also, that means present, that presence in the sense of full strength, and absent in the strength in the sense of nowhere is a response. So this is called as or none law. Understand? Basically this or none law includes the response towards the stimuli. Okay, so this response is basically they are saying that followed by muscle fiber or muscle we have to tell. So this response, the strength of response of a nerve cell, that nerve cell muscle fiber is not depend upon the strength or stimuli. Basically muscle fiber will follow this, that means they will follow the law, but overall muscle will not follow this law. Okay, so this statement is a true, that muscle fiber obeys or none law but not overall a muscle. Next option we have muscles obey all or none law but not a muscle fiber. This is completely opposite of the first statement, that's why this is the wrong. Next we have that a muscle as well as a muscle fiber obey all or none law. So both do not obey this law, means muscles and muscle fiber both do not obey this law, only muscle fiber obeys this law. So that's why this is also wrong. Next we have that is neither muscle nor muscle fiber obey or none law. So they are saying both are not obeying this law. This is also wrong because muscle fiber is obeying the law. That's why only and only the true and correct statement is the first option, that muscle fibers obey or none law, not overall muscle obeys it. Understand? So that's why first statement is the right one statement. And you can understand this by a very simple thing, or we can say simple example. When you put your hand on a hot stove, at that time your nerve cells feels that this thing is hot, so this is a danger, and that's why this is a pain, this will cause pain or danger, that's why you have to remove your hand from that. Understand? So this is a reflex, right? This is a reflex of the nerve cells, correct? So this autonomic reflex of your nerve cells that are sensing that the thing is hot, so it will cause pain. So this alertness in the nervous system is a muscle physiology. Understand? Or we can say this or none law stimulus. Okay. So if the stimulus is in correct response, full response, then your muscle fiber will understand that this thing is a very hot thing and you should not touch it because it will cause harm to you. That's why you take your hand back. So this is also an example of this all or none law principle. Okay, so that's why our answer will be only and only first option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.